The Bellinger River Snapping Turtle is one of the most ancient of turtles on the planet. The genetic clockwork that was done by Professor Arthur Georges has shown that it is many tens of millions of years old. So it quite literally swam through the legs of brontosaurs in the primordial Bellinger River, literally, as in it coexisted with dinosaurs. It's persisted, and it's just persisting because a mystery novel virus came in and wiped out most of the population. What it needs is deep, clear pools, cool pools. And because of human impact within the Bellinger River, a lot of those cool pools have filled in and the water's got hotter. It can only survive within a narrowish thermal band, and because the pools have filled in, it meant that the river has got hotter, and it's likely that thermal stress led to its susceptibility to this novel pathogen that seems to have come in from the ocean, which wiped out 95% or more of the known population. It's barely persisting. Thankfully, there is a captive insurance population from which animals are being released into the wild. I think that's something absolutely astonishing, that we've got this creature living in our river which quite literally coexisted with dinosaurs. And I think that as a flagship or as an iconic species, it's really important because it's about the health of the whole catchment, the water quality, the water quantity and the water temperature. And what we've documented recently as happening off the Horseshoe Road is that the Forestry Corporation has pushed tons and tons of sediment off the edge of the mountain, and that's entering the Bellinger catchment. That creates an immense risk of filling in of these beautiful, cool, clear pools and creating further stress and harm to this most incredibly and amongst the most ancient of turtles on the planet. So the best thing we can do is to stop the sediment and the cobble and the gravel entering the river, to revegetate or allow natural regeneration to shade these pools so that it's got homes for the next 60, 80 or 100 million years. I just reckon that's mind-blowing. I mean, I can't even imagine 1 million years, let alone starting to imagine 60, 80 or 100 million years of survival. And I think humanity can learn a lot of lessons from this turtle about what it takes to survive through phenomenal global change, and that's something that our community can look upon and go, yeah, this turtle has to survive, and we can survive with that turtle.